Hi guys, this is Myls and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to cook pork bone and bean stew. And for our feature delata, we're going to have Hans pork and beans. So, let's get started. Heat oil in a pan and start sauteing onions and garlic. There was 1 medium onion and 4 cloves of garlic. Next, we're going to add in about 1 teaspoon of rosemary. We're going to rub this so that the flavor will come out. Then one by one, we're going to add in about 2 kilograms of pork bone. This one I got from Monterey because I wanted to get the best quality meat available. Add in 3 cups of water. And then we will cover this and simmer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we're going to skim off the scum at the surface. By doing so, we're not only removing the impurities, this process also makes the dish taste a lot better. Then add in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. You can also add in 1 tablespoon of Korean chili paste. Of course, if you wanted this more spicy, you can always add more. We will also add in a teaspoon of peppercorn and 2 tablespoons of sugar. At this point, we will also add 230-gram canned Hans pork and beans. Stew in the Philippines is always served with rice, but since we use canned pork and beans here, I think this one goes pretty well with bread. And finally, we will add 3 dried bay leaf, and we will cover this and simmer for another 30 minutes in low fire. So you went back after 30 minutes to check the tenderness of the meat and the consistency of the sauce. This sauce needs to be reduced, so we're going to simmer this for another 20 minutes in high fire. After 20 minutes, this sauce looks just perfect, so we're ready to serve. I hope you like this recipe. If so, please don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button.